Hello everyone, good morning. Today in this session, we will talk about the remaining chapters of Tiger's Whisker. This is session 2 for this chapter. But before moving forward to make more clear about this chapter, I would like to introduce some more word meanings of this chapter. Where furious means the violent, जो हिंसक हो जाते हैं उसके लिए फेरियस वर्ड का इस्तेमाल होता है. माउंटेन साइड, माउंटेनियस एरिया जो होता है उसको बोला जाता है. यूजलेस, विच इज नॉट यूजफुल. एफर्ट, ट्राई यानी कोशिश. अफ्रेड, डर. और स्पीचलेस, जो एकदम कुछ बोलने वाला नहीं रहता. नो वर्ड टू से एनीथिंग. नाउ in this chapter we will talk about the session 1 part that I have taught to you. इसमें क्या था कि यूनो के को एक प्रॉब्लम थी अपने पति से रिलेटेड, जिसमें she wants more love from her husband, but due to the 3 years war that her husband has fought, his heart become full of sadness, and due to which he did not talk to her wife lovingly, or she could not talk eat anything. She lives in anger. Due to this, he met with a hermit who has suggested to bring a whisker of a living tiger. तो ये पूरे चैप्टर्स का अभी तक जो मैंने पढ़ाया था वो पूरा रिवीजन था, जिसके लिए वो माउंटेन साइड पे गई थी और टाइगर को मीट खिला रही थी. नाउ दैट यू हैव टू रीड इज द रेस्ट ऑफ द चैप्टर एंड व्हाट इज दैट रिमेनिंग पार्ट. तो रिमेनिंग पार्ट वाज दैट वन नाइट, जब वो मीट उसको खिला चुकी थी, देन शी वाज रेसिंग, उसको बुला रही थी. तो ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड शी आस्क्ड द टाइगर and said it that, "Oh gentle tiger, I want one of your whisker. Please don't get angry when I have it." मतलब कि जब मैं आपके whisker को काट लूं तो आप गुस्सा मत होइएगा. And she snipped. Snipped का मतलब कैंची से उन्होंने काटा. Snipped off one of the tiger's whisker. The tiger was not angry at all. टाइगर बिल्कुल गुस्सा नहीं हुआ. Early next morning, when the morning came, she went running to the hermit's cottage. वो उस नोबल पर्सन के पास दौड़ते हुए जाती है और बोलती है कि होली फादर, आई हैव गॉट व्हाट यू हैव सेड टू ब्रिंग फॉर द पोर्शन. आई हैव गॉट द टाइगर्स whisker. She got the success, so she went running to the hermit. एंड दौड़ते हुए जाकर के बोलती है कि आपने जो मुझे बोला था दवा के लिए वो तो मुझे मिल गया. टाइगर का विस्कर जो चाहिए था वो हम ला दिए. The hermit took the whisker and dropped it into the fire burning in his cottage. Suddenly, what happens next that when the hermit took that, what happens कि suddenly the hermit took the whisker and throw it into the burning fire, जिसकी वजह से वो whisker जल जाता है. Suddenly the young woman start crying and said, "What have you done?" आपने ये क्या किया? I had got it after so much of effort. बहुत कोशिशों के बाद मुझे ये मिली थी. Tell me how you got it, said the hermit. इस पर हामिद ने उनसे पूछा कि how did you get the tiger's whisker? Tell me the whole story. Then start telling the story to of getting the whisker. She said, every night I when the tigers living on the mountain side, I would take with me a ball of food, but I was afraid and kept a good distance from the tiger. By and by, I overcome my fear and went a little closer. At last, one night, the tiger ate the food I had bought for him. Then a time came that tiger was looking to that part for me to come and give me the food. He would eat out of the bowl in my hand, and then it was not difficult for me to have one of his whisker. यूनो के कहना ये चाहती है कि मैं डेली हर रात को उसके पास मीट बॉल लेकर के जाती थी, लेकिन डर की वजह से मैं एक अच्छी खासी डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करती थी. लेकिन जैसे जैसे समय बीता मैंने उसकी तरफ बढ़ा और डिस्टेंस कम की. एक दिन ऐसा आया कि मुझे मेरे हाथों से टाइगर ने मीट खाया और साथ ही साथ मेरे आने का रास्ता देखने लगा. डेली यही चलता रहा और एक दिन मैंने विस्कर उसकी जो मूंछ थी वो ले ली. Then Hamid said, "So you won the confidence of the tiger with your love." Here Eunuch said very sadly, "Yes, I have. I won the love of the tiger to get that whisker, but now all my effort has come to nothing." She said sadly. Because, why did she so? Because he had thrown the whisker in the fire. That is why the eunuch was very sad. On this, the hermit said to eunuch that you don't need any potion now, and so the whisker was useless. And now the whisker was of no use. कहते हैं हामिद कि चूंकि आपको अब कोई पोषण की जरूरत थी नहीं, इसलिए ये जो विस्कर था वह किसी काम का नहीं था. I ask you a question. This question is for the eunuch, and for asking, who is asking the question? The hermit is asking. The hermit was asking the question that, is a man more furious than a tiger? सवाल है कि क्या इंसान टाइगर से ज्यादा वायलेंट होता है, ज्यादा मजबूत होता है? If you can win the love and confidence of a wild beast, कहता है कि अगर आप किसी भी वाइल्ड बीस्ट का, जंगली जानवर का प्यार जीत सको या कॉन्फिडेंस जीत सको, उसका विश्वास जीत सको, तो दिस इज श्योर दैट यू विल विन द लव ऑफ अ मैन and your husband. There can be no one who can't win the love through can't be won through love. दुनिया में ऐसा कोई नहीं जो प्यार से जीता ना जा सके. Hearing this, eunuch was speechless. She had no word to say anything, and she got up and touched the hermit's feet and went back home. यह सुनते ही यूनोक पूरी तरीके से स्पीचलेस हो चुकी थी और वहां से वह चुपचाप उठी, पैर छुए और चल दी. हार्मिट के आशीर्वाद लेकर के वो वहां से चली गई. She always kept in her mind what the hermit had said, and this is the only moral of the story. And the moral of the story is कि every man on the earth, even the animal, can be won by the love. So love all, be unite. This is the end of the story. You have to be safe and be at home. Thank you for watching the story. Have a nice day.